come with me to my first ever event with Vaseline. Hey guys, it's Klariz. Welcome back to another vlog. So come with me to my first ever event with Vaseline.
You drive me famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdom to falling. Hi, Vaseline.
Kasama sila tita. Oo.
Yung baya lang walang class mo.
Yeah, bawal yung class 1 guys.
So ako lang yung mag-enter sa event.
Sa event.
Ay, kunin ko yung isang ay baka sige
So this is my makeup. Pero gagamitin ko na lang cellphone.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Finally.
Tsaka itong 360 guys. Para hindi hassle, you know. So, it's my first time. Wait lang. Pangit yung ating lighting. So, hair and makeup by me. Ayun si Tita Faye.
Hi.
Hey, this is the paint. Let's go. It's blue. Sige, Vaseline. Yan kami.
course, Vaseline. Hello everyone. She'll be joining me in just a little bit.
Vaseline is actually a skincare expert for over 150 years and is present in over 70 countries. It is one of the top trusted brands. And as a skin expert, our purpose is always to serve our consumers that everyone wants.
Today, and today is so exciting because it's not just about Vaseline or skincare. It's actually a time for us to celebrate self-love and confidence, which the root and core is to transform every Filipino's skin for their best body glow up and truly love the skin they're in. Because when you love your skin, hope you guys agree, you're
Beautiful glow up, you're the skin that's glowing. So, hi everyone, apply the whole bottle, guys.
Okay, but the whole bottle? Oh my god.
So you can squeeze the bottle and apply it.
This is not appealing. All the way.
Done? Alright, for step 2, get the tiny bottle that's small but powerful. So now apply the contents into your skin.
Ready?
So you don't need to finish the whole bottle. Maybe finish at least half. So that's
Okay.
around 4 to 5.
Oh my god. It's giving scientist.
So see the power. So the step, while on the right side, you are going to add the active ingredient Vaseline Gluta.
Everyone, please welcome on stage Miss Julia Barreto. Hello, Julia.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Guys, we are just how nice it is about
Yes, beautiful na. Alright, Julia. So first of all, welcome to the Vaseline family. I'm sure everyone is so excited to be here.
It's so important for me. Like skincare is very important to me. But even body care, since I was young, my mom, she instilled in all of us, especially me and my sisters, of course, how important it is to take care of also our body. So I feel like at a very young age, I've been just
Guys, welcome everyone to the Vaseline Skin Science Studio. Alright guys, come on in. Let's all make our way behind and on the
Look here,
left,
look here.
there's space for everyone. Serum lotions for you. And not only that, each of
Thank you po, ma'am. Tawanan lang kayong dalawa. Yan.
Hi guys. Welcome to our vlog. The hair is hairy. I can't do the curtain bang.
Guys, with Frankie.
Hi guys. Buti ko din. Nakakita ko.
Hi guys, meet Klariz.
May black?
Yeah. I think ka kasi sa pizza exam.
Ampon yung pizza.
We have pasta. Taste test.
Taste test. Let's go.
She's very kind.
The drink.
Vaseline.
Thanks Vaseline for the sponsor.
Do you like matcha?
I don't really drink.
Dapat i-achieve mo. Yeah. So, yung average skin hydration natin, ma'am, is 55. And then yung current skin hydration is 14. So, medyo mababa siya, ma'am. So, kailangan natin i-boost yung skin hydration natin. Siguro dahil na rin sa environment natin ngayon kasi dry air. So, and then, water, syempre. Siguro pag nasa event, medyo low yung consumption. So, try natin na pag nag-apply tayo ng lotion. Night lotion siya ba? Pero pwede mo siyang gamitin also during day. Lightweight lang siya. Ano mo, kung ma-refill mo, nag-turn siya into water rose. So, hindi siya sobrang heavy and sticky. Yes mo, kung gusto mo ng extra hydration, kung gusto mo lang mabilis ma-boost yung hydrating, yung moisture. So, try natin mo pag ganun. Yan. So, makikita mo ma'am, nag-boost agad siya. Pero hindi siya like all day. Kailangan mo kasi siyang i-maintain. Lagi mo siyang gamitin consistent. Yung meron niya. May mga dark spots kasi tayo na hindi natin nakikita. And kung makikita mo ma'am, minimal lang may kita mong dark spot. Pero pag check natin dito, ayan, yung mga brown, yun yung mga dark spots. Ayan. Ayan, mga dark spots. Next naman ma'am, kailangan pa rin natin ng care. And then, siguro dahil sa sun damage, sa mga chemicals na nilalagay natin sa hands, sa mga hand sanitizers, so malakas siya So, ang recommend ko naman for that is si Gold naman ma'am. Pang-even out siya ng skin tone para pumantay yung skin mo. Para mag-fade yung dark spot mo. And then, meron na rin siya double UV filter. So, pang-protect against sun. Pero, hindi pa rin kasi siya enough. Kunyari, lalabas ka outdoor, then direct-direct yung mga. Mas maganda pa rin na after this, gumamit ka pa rin ng sunblock. Para hindi na siya tumaas pa.
Show the Vaseline. Okay. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, just got home. Guys, quick story time lang. Grabe, super enjoy ko today. And grabe guys, sobrang speechless ko. Like that. Super nice ng event. Super nag-enjoy ako. And actually guys, no plus one. That's why ako lang mag-isa. It's my first time. Like, first event. And first time ko na sa event alone. So that's why, like, you know, guys, if napanood nyo yung everyday makeup routine ko, sinabi ko doon, it's always my dream to receive PR packages. And daw, naka-attend ako ng event. And super duper thankful ko kay God kasi He answered my prayers, like PR packages, like events. Girl, I'm so happy and blessed talaga and grateful. Grabe si Lord. Like, maganda din pala like pumunta sa event ng alone dahil may makikilala kang content creators din. And yeah, it's a nice experience. So, more opportunities to come. And guys, gamit ko lang kasi is yung phone ko. Kasi para hindi like hassle. Kasi guys, ako lang mag-isa ganyan. So, hindi ko na dinala yung pang like vlogging camera. But, dinala ko yung isang camera ko guys for like picture lang ganon. And special thanks to my Tita Love and Tita Faye for always supporting me anytime, anywhere. I love you both. Ginawa din pala sa the 5th Rockwell Light Power Plant. And also kala Daddy and to my sisi. Sobrang na-appreciate ko sila. That's it for today's vlog. And I know guys, ma-achieve nyo din yung dreams nyo, okay? Basta don't give up lang. And I'll take a shower na because, you know, it's hot. Thank you so much, Vaseline, for having me. It's a dream come true and it's an amazing experience. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. If do mo siya, give big thumbs up, subscribe to be part of our family Klangsters, and click the bell button beside so you're notified whenever time I post new video. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye guys!